Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Valheim with mods. Modding Valheim can dramatically transform your gameplay, introducing exciting new challenges, items, and quality-of-life enhancements. Imagine new biomes to explore or powerful gear to craft. This guide will walk you through the straightforward steps to get your favorite modifications up and running, ensuring you can dive into an even richer Viking adventure with ease. We'll cover everything you need to know to start your customized journey. To begin your modding journey, you'll need a couple of essential tools. First, a dedicated mod manager, such as Thunderstorm Mod Manager, is highly recommended. It handles installations and updates, making the process much easier. Second, BepInEx is a fundamental framework that many Valheim mods rely on to function correctly. Think of it as the backbone for your modified game. Always ensure your Valheim game client is fully updated to avoid compatibility issues with your chosen mods. Installing mods can be done in two primary ways. The easiest method is using a mod manager, which allows you to browse, download, and activate mods with just a few clicks. Alternatively, you can install mods manually by downloading them and placing the files into the correct Valheim game directories. This usually involves the BepInEx folder. Remember to always carefully read the specific installation instructions provided by each mod creator, as some may have unique requirements for proper functionality. Sometimes mods might conflict, causing issues. If this happens, try disabling your mods one by one to pinpoint the problematic one. Keeping your mods and the game updated is crucial for smooth operation. Before embarking on a heavily modded playthrough, it's always a good idea to back up your Valheim save files. With these tips, you're all set to explore a vastly expanded Valheim world, enjoying countless hours of new adventures and enhanced gameplay. Happy modding. Vikings!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.